Today's topic is factors affecting antigenicity. Antigen. What is meant by antigen? Antigen is a foreign substance. The more the foreign it is, the more it can induce immune response. Means if it is a more foreign one, it will be producing more immune response. So what are the factors which affects antigenicity? So antigenicity is caused due to the epitope part of the antigen. So here today we are going to discuss about the factors which affects antigenicity. The first factor is antigen dosage, route of administration. Means the amount of dosage depends on the antibody production. Here the antibody production, how much it is produced, depends on the doses of the antigen and route of administration of the antigen. Means how much amount of antigen is introduced into the body, that much will be producing the antibodies. Okay, either the route of administration either through orally or through intravenously. Okay, so this is one factor which affects the antigenicity. The second one is molecular weight of antigen. The antigen which was administered should have low molecular weight. Why? Because the low molecular weight antigen only can bind with the antibody to produce immune response. If it is having very low molecular weight, it escapes from the immune response. Or it will be having high molecular weight, it induces B cell differentiation without involving T cells. Means there is no involvement of T cells, directly it induces the B cell differentiation. So it should not be very low or very high. It should have a low molecular weight that can bind with the antibody to produce immune response. Means the molecular weight of antigen is one factor which affects antigenicity. Next one is degradation. Antigen is known to degrade by some molecules like MHC molecules. So when antigen combined with MHC2 molecule only, it is exposed to the T cells. So such type of antigens we call it as T-dependent antigens. Antigens directly will not be presented to the T cells. These first degraded to small particles and then it is combined with the MHC2 molecules and then it is presented to the T cells. So such type of antigens we call it as T-dependent antigens. So the degradation of the antigens also depends or also affects the antigenicity. So this one is also considered as one factor which is affecting the antigenicity. So these are the factors which affects antigenicity.